Here at home working out with the one and only, the joke, who's not a joking subject, Odonga Otto. We have done match drills, guys. Don't joke with us. He's sweating, but we are still going for another round. Give me 10 last. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. So I'm taking him for stretching, a little bit of massage, and I bring him back in the normal as mama baby is preparing for the porridge. Oh, Mama Sita, I wanna be your Mama Sita. Yeah, I know.
This is not for this Golola's training is hard. I am a footballer. I play 120 minutes, but I am dying. I need prayer.
Oh yes. Let me take care of these gloves.
I'm back.
So you're going to.
This thing is too heavy. And today I will not work.
I don't hate on nobody, I just envy if you're better than me. I'ma ask myself why. Watch me whack all night long. Watch me laying back and perfecting a bit. To get along, I'm too serious. No more silly drinking. Me, I ain't playing around. I'ma drop a line of y'all to make you think. All them things that you're doing ain't working enough. Keep your head up, you gon'